I am still convinced that without the 36 Igbo alphabets, it will be very difficult to unite the Easterners and our brothers that are in North Central and South South and perhaps elsewhere on this planet. Because different people speak different dialect, even though when you pay close attention to what they're saying, you realize that their words sound so similar to what you are used to. Okay? Think of Nsoka people in Enugu State. You know, when Nsoka people speak, someone from Nkano East, eh? For example, Ihu Okpara, Amakunza, Akpugo, or even Agbani, that is West, Nkano East, Nkano West, together we used to be brothers before. So someone from Nsoka, if the person speaks Igbo, another person from Nkano would hear him or her clearly and understand, even if the wordings are not so clear. At least the person will be able to capture something. Again, think of the Abakaliki people, especially the Izango people. You see, a lot of people doubt they're Igbo, whether they're actually Igbos. These people are Igbos. When you listen to them closely, you see, the way you speak a language can determine the perception of the audience. So, a common language that you're familiar with, someone else can speak it very fast and you won't get what the person is saying. The person may be having some vocal problem with the auditory system and you find it hard to hear the person clearly. Or, you see, it's just a change of style in the manner and approach of the use of the language. You know, sometimes it can get you confused. So think of the Abakaliki people, the Eza people, when they speak Igbo, you know, a lot of people find it very hard to hear what they're saying. But if you can listen closely, you'll be able to pick out some words from what they're saying. And these words are pure Igbo words, which you must have used by yourself in your own dialect. So the Igbo Izugbe plays an important role. And that is actually why I will encourage our educational system in the Southeast to promote the teaching of Asusu Igbo in secondary schools. It used to be a compulsory subject those days. I don't know about now. People even write it. Me too. I wrote it in White and Nickel. And it used to be an interesting subject even till date. Of course, I'm here teaching Igbo. So, because it's an interesting subject,